Hey, this is Jon Orana, and I just want to give you guys a quick message and encouragement for anyone you feel 2019, you get into trouble financially, or may negosyo ka, hindi naging successful, or you have a business pero, hindi nangyari yung mga ine-expect mo. I just want to quickly remind you and give you an encouragement. This year, this new year, is another year for you to finally take a massive action and change the direction of your life. Kung nagkamali tayo in the past, listen, you cannot change in the past. We cannot live in the past. Madidepress ka lang if you keep focusing on the mistakes that you have done. So again, today and this year and this month and this week is a brand new day, a brand new moment for us to change ano man yung mga pagkakamali natin and go back to where we want to go back, pay attention, stay focused sa mga gusto mong marating at gusto mong mga ma-accomplish this year. Again, embrace the moment, embrace the situation. Sometimes all the mistakes mga nagawa natin in the past is just teaching us something to make us even smarter, to make us even stronger by reminding yourself that yung mga mistakes natin from last year, it can be just a wonderful, a golden lesson for us so that we will have a breakthrough this 2020. Again, this is just a quick encouragement. There's always a second chance. There's always a hope. So do not focus on what you have done in the past, but focus on this bright future ahead of you. Have a good day. Wait, before you go, do not forget to click that red subscribe button below. Appreciate it. Thank you for watching.